In this video, you will learn how to make something like this. First off, make the dimensions layer current. Then launch UCS command and define the new UCS on the model. Using dim linear command, fix linear dimension to the object. Repeat the procedure. This time, I'll go to the Annotate tab and launch the linear dimension command. Then pick 2 points to fix the linear dimension on the object. Repeat the procedure to apply dimension to other places as applicable. To add dimension to a different plane on the object, launch UCS and define the new plane to fix the dimensions. The UCS switching is repeated for every change in plane on the object. After the plane has been defined, apply linear, radial, or diameter dimensions as appropriate. You can minimize the ribbon to create more space in the model space. There is a missing dimension for the hole here, so I will define a new UCS, then add the diameter dimension for the hole. Next, create a new layout. Double-click here to enter the viewport. Then launch SolProf command and generate solid profile of the object, accepting the yes prompt in all cases. Turn off the outline layer as well as the hidden line layer created by the SolProf command. Then in the model space, you can see the object as a line drawing with dimensions. The last step in this process is to print the drawing. So launch the Plot dialog box and make necessary adjustments. Then click here to preview the plot. If everything looks fine as it is in this example, click here to plot. Since the plotter I selected was not a physical printer, I need to define the location to save the plotted PDF file. Then proceed to enter a file name. Click Save to finish off. For more tips like this, please consider subscribing. Thank you.